Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Let's do a quick check on Openshot. Actually, let me just make sure. LS, okay, Openshot, dance. And I'm going to pop this into the timeline. And you see right there, Control X is to split the clip. So let's add to timeline. And I'm going to put it on track 5 since that's the visible one. Click OK. And now if we click play, we should see the video. There it is. Okay, so let's try some scrubbing. Scrubbing works. It's a little slow, but that's okay. Now, you remember Control X to clip, or to it's just Control X to split clip. Okay, so go ahead and click start. And I have to, I guess, I have to scrub over in this part. That's not very convenient. And now test. Okay, that should have worked, I think. I'm not quite sure actually what it did, because I was hoping it was going to use this cut tool so I could see a split. Let's take a look. Anything else down here? No. Okay, let's try again. Control X. Start of the clip. And now the end of the clip. Give it a name. Create. There are the clips. Okay, now I see it. So let's remove that one. Let's add the timeline. Track 5, yeah. Drag that over there, and now let's see if it will produce just that clip. So let me create test, and I'll put it onto the desktop for easy access. Open and click export video. I'll pause while it chunks on this 17 seconds of video. Okay, elapsed time was 1 minute 47 seconds to produce a video that was literally just 17 seconds, 22 seconds. Click on done, and let's go take a look at the output, which is on the desktop, which is right here. And let's go ahead and check the properties. 49 meg, 25 seconds. Let's see if it works. Okay, it looks like it's working. All right, so to recap, that is Openshot version 2.5.1 as a way of saving clips. Just to recap, let's remove that. Let's import, add to timeline, and if I'm going to add it to track 5 and drag that over. So if you want to select the video, if you want to make a clip, Control X sets your start. And now what you and I both hope is that it would start where the video here was, but that's not the way it works. And there's no apparent way to change that to a number that you can just jump to. So you click start, and then you drag that over, and click end, and you give it a name, create, and then it shows up right up there. Close that, delete this, and now you import this into your timeline. Track, 1 minute. That's not possible. I don't know why it's saying the track time is 1 minute. Properties, track time is less than, the duration is 7.67 seconds. So, and then from there you click render and select your file. Now the file name I think is terrible here. It should actually give you some sort of default, naming structure so that you don't have to retype it every time, but there it is. All right, that's how to use the slit clip function in Openshot. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.